demonstrating Bhastrikasana, or bellows pose. To do this pose, lie flat on your back. While breathing out, bend your right knee and bring it in contact with the chest, resting your hands around your knee and pulling it in. Hold for 8 counts with the breath out. Inhaling, bringing that leg down, and exhaling, bending the left knee and bringing it in contact to the chest, holding the out breath for 8 counts. Inhaling, assuming the original position, and exhaling, bending both knees and bringing the thighs in contact with the chest by grasping around the knees and holding the exhale for 8 counts. Bringing the legs down, assuming the original position. And this is 1 round, and this is to be done 8 times. I will be demonstrating Dhanurasana, or bow pose. To do this pose, come down into supine position. Flex your knees to bring your feet closer to your thighs. Direct your hands behind your back and grasp your ankles. Inhaling, raise your body with the weight on your navel, bringing your head and your chest as far back as possible, holding the breath for 8 counts. Release and resume the original position. This is to be done 8 times. I will be demonstrating Dirga Pranam, or the bowing pose. To begin this pose, we will come up onto our knees with your toes forward. Holding your palms together, you will extend your arms upward near your ears. Inhaling, and as you exhale, you will bend forward in the posture of bowing down, touching the floor with your nose and your forehead. And exhaling, holding the exhale for 8 counts. As you inhale, you will come up, and ideally your heels are stayed in contact with your buttocks. That is 1 round, and this is to be done 8 times. I will be demonstrating Gobukasana, or cow's head. To do this pose, we will extend both of our legs forward. Bring your right leg under your left thigh and cross the left leg on top. If you can, that top leg, the heel can be tucked under your buttocks. And you will slide your left hand up your spine, your palm facing your back, and the right arm will go up by your ear, bend at the elbow, and go down the spine. If you can, you will interlock your hands. You will hold this pose for 30 seconds, breathing as naturally as possible. Releasing, and we will switch sides, bringing both legs forward, and this time the left foot will go under the right thigh, and you will cross your right leg on top. The right hand will go behind with your palm facing your spine. That left arm will go up by your ear, bend at the elbow, and will try to grasp the other hand. It's fine if they don't reach each other, you're still getting benefit. And again, holding this for 30 seconds as we're breathing. And releasing. This is 1 round, and this is to be done 4 times. I will be demonstrating Janu Shirasana, or head to knee pose. To begin this pose, extend your left leg out and press your right ankle into your perineum. Inhale up and exhale down, bringing your head towards your knee and interlocking your fingers and pressing your hands into your sole of your foot as you hold the exhale for 8 seconds. Inhale up and switch sides, pressing that left heel into your perineum. Inhale up and exhale over the right, bringing your head towards your knee and your palms are pressed into the sole of your foot as you exhale for 8 seconds. Inhale up, and that is 1 round of Janu Shirasana, and this is to be done for 4 rounds. I will be demonstrating Matsyendrasana, or twist pose. To do this pose, we will press our right heel into our perineum and cross our left foot over the right knee. Bringing that right arm across the knee and grasping the left toe. The left arm will come behind you and you will turn your body towards the left, bringing your neck as far back to the left as possible. You will hold this pose for 30 seconds, breathing as naturally as possible. You want to ensure that your spine is elongated. And release, and we will go to the other side, pressing the left heel into the perineum, crossing your right foot over your left knee, grasping your left toe with your left hand, and bringing that right hand behind you and turning towards the right. Turning the neck as far to the right as possible. Holding that count, holding the pose for 30 seconds. And releasing. That is 1 round, and this is to be done in 4 rounds. I will be demonstrating Tulandasana, or balance pose. To begin with, we will find the balance on both feet. Once you have that, you will begin to lift your right leg, coming into balance on your left foot, and begin to lift that up behind you, grasping with both hands around your waist, and bringing your head and torso parallel to the floor. And you will hold this pose for 30 counts, breathing as naturally as possible. and returning to the original position, finding both balance on both feet, and then begin to lift the left leg, bringing it behind you, grasping your waist, and bring your head and your torso parallel to the floor, and hold the pose for up to 30 counts. It is okay to be next to a wall or have a chair to help you with the balancing. And return to the original position, and you will do this for 4 rounds. I will be demonstrating Utkapachi Uttanasana, or full head to knee pose. To begin this pose, we will come down into supine position. Extending the arms backwards, and inhale. Exhaling, come up into a sitting position and bringing your face towards your knees, keeping your legs straight. Grasping your big toes with your hands as you bring your head towards your knees, holding the exhale for 8 counts. Inhaling up, and if it's too difficult to start from the supine position, you can start from this position, inhaling and exhaling, bringing your head towards your knees, grasping your big toes as you exhale all the air out. Just inhaling up. This is to be done 8 times. I will be demonstrating Yoga Mudra or Yoga Pose. To begin this pose, you will be sitting in cross-legged position. Pass both hands backwards behind your back and grasp your left wrist with your right hand. Inhaling and exhaling, you will come forward and bring your forehead in contact with the floor. And exhaling and holding the exhale for 8 counts. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Inhaling up. I just did 2 rounds, and this is to be done 8 times.